I'm going through the visual design that Lior has prepared for us, then building some technical design for that.
In terms of the user experience that people are used to using Uber and different taxi apps, it's a bit different. So we're trying to see how to make it all fit together.
We're just going downstairs to bring Dan. Dan actually is the CEO of TankU.
What we've been doing for the last week and continuing this week is first of all taking a leap into the ride-hailing project. So this primarily describes the tasks for the driver app. I'm going through the visual design that Lior has prepared for us. This is the visual design, and I'm taking this and building some technical design for that. This is a CQL schema that's going to contain the information stored for drivers. Okay, so this is the driver table, and it has all those fields. And I've yesterday tried to understand which is going to be better for us using the secondary indexes, like so, or materialized views, like so.
שאלה UI'ית. נו?
אתה מקבל נסיעה כדרייבר, נכון? ואז אומר לך, האם אתה רוצה לקחת את הנסיעה, את הפסנג'ר הזה, אז אתה אומר סבבה. אבל יש פה, אתה יודע, כל מיני דרייברס שיציעו ביד. ומה לעשות, מישהו לא יקבל את הנסיעה. אז איך הייתם מציגים לו את זה?
אתה צריך להגיד כלום.
צריך להגיד.
מה, סתם להעלים? יהיה ספינר ואז יעלם, אז איך הוא ידע?
זה נראה כמו התנהגות לא צפויה, ספינר שנעלם בלי שום דבר?
לא.
למה אני רוצה שזה ישמיט את עצמו? כי הרי זה יקרה להכניס את הרבה, שהוא יגיד, טוב, אני רוצה לקחת את הנסיעה, ואז נגיד לו, סורי, לא הספקת. אז אני לא רוצה גם להגיד לו שהוא צריך להגיד אוקיי, ואז כאילו זה הרבה נסיעה.
Also, I'm helping some of the guys with issues that we have. For example, we need to finalize the protocol for the SDK of the ride-hailing. That's something Yaron does, and Chai is building the boat charging protocol. So I'm helping both of them just close some gaps that we have.
So you walked in just as we were testing one of the changes we discussed a few days ago. We're introducing a small change in one of the flows so that you can have bids that are non-committing as well as committing bids. That way, driver can say, hey, I can pick that passenger up, but that driver is now able to make offers to other passengers because he's not sure he's going to get that job. So we just introduced these changes. Yaron just finished implementing them. Shachar did a code review, and now I'm going over the code to see how the API for the developers using the SDK looks like, and that it looks just like the task suite. And we did it while impacting the developer flow as little as possible. It's basically just one extra command.
Noam, Tal, and I had a meeting regarding, how this ride-hailing app fits the existing protocol. The protocol works in a way that, a passenger need to send a need and then receive back several bids from different drivers. But in terms of the user experience that people are used to using Uber and different taxi apps, it's a bit different. So we're trying to see how to make it all fit together. So it will be working similarly with the protocol, but the user experience will still be cool and people will feel that it's familiar to them. So this is one. We're actually reviewing different pricing models, around the web that are used, and we're applying them on the ride-hailing app also. So this is the ride-hailing app that you already know. So making the changes that are needed.
Okay guys, so we're just going downstairs to bring Dan. Dan is from one of our newest additions to the DAV Alliance called TankU. It's a startup that actually is creating smart fueling and charging solutions. So what we will be doing is actually reviewing the latest updates from them, their new technological stack, and actually we will examine how we can implement them in the new DAV projects. Hey Dan, מה קורה? איך אתה? Nice to have you here.
Hi, I'm Dan from TankU. We are creating the service stations of the future. We are taking the technology that exists today in parking lots and in toll roads that recognize vehicles and bring it into complex environments like service stations for fueling, for charging cars, with multi-cameras environment. We're creating payment system for them that enable very fast and very secure process. It replaces basically the RFID solutions, the Alcan that exists in Israel, in Turkey, in Mexico,